Yo, chat, we back with another video, and today, chat, y'all see what type of gun we got. We got the Switchblade, you feel me? We gonna see what this hitting on. Hold on, chat, I ain't gonna lie. We getting back on this. Chat, I told y'all, bro, when I'm coming back 20 times harder, gang. I'm putting in the work. Oh my gosh, I'm going. Hold on. Bro, my thumb is like, oh, I ain't even finna say that. Like, gang, like I turned the corner. Hold on, chat. Hold on. Y'all gotta cut me some slack, bro. Like, it's hella grip, bro. Pause. That's one. Turn it up for me, chat. Turn it up for me, chat. Then this nigga sniping and shit. We hitting only. Got your back through anything. You bleeding, then I bleed. I'ma find us a way for to get something to eat to the minute. Oh my gosh, gang. Like, what is that family tree? But yeah, we getting on that. Yep. Watch out, buddy. Oh my gosh, bro, save my life. Yeah, then I won't leave. Got your back to do anything. You bleed, then I bleed. I'ma find a solution. I guess. Who's always disappointed, better. Chat, we still on it, chat. Hold on. We gonna hush. Didn't mean to whip that out. Bro, I'm literally airballing. I'm literally airballing. No, cause when I turn this corner, bitch ass nigga, you ain't sniping shit, nigga. That shit out of here. That weak shit out of here. I hit this corner. Airborne. Look what you talking about, nigga. Easy. You like this gun is so ass. It's so ass. How do I tell y'all? This gun is buns. Like, game, like, what do I do? What do I do? Like, what do I do, chat? 1, 2. Like, what do I do, bro? I'm literally shredding with bullets, my nigga. Shredding with bullets, by the way. Shredding with bullets. And this dude's just walking around with a flamethrower like a bum, bro. Stealing my kills and stuff, like. And then look at this Mexican family tree. Papa Stem. You just got in the game. Didn't I just clap you? Papa Stem? No, we're going for the rebound. Rebound like Kobe, nigga. Oh my god. That's 3. Am I rotating too fast? Oh my gosh, bro. Like, holy. Get off the homie. Yeah, we're going this way because, look, and then you're spraying me. You're not good. Oh, yeah, we got that one. Oh, yeah, let them spawn right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we put him in the middle. Oh, my God. Come on, child. Hopefully, I don't die. Child, hope y'all like the 1v1 video, gang. Cause like, yo, I put in so much work. It was crazy. I know I was hitting crazy shots, gang. I wish I had the voice. Literally airball. Holy airball. Fuck out of here, bitch. Oh my gosh, thank God for that. That stuff would have killed me. Oh my gosh, I'm shredding. I'm on a 15 kill streak. 15, 16. No, come back here. 17. Oh my gosh. 19. 20. So that's not 20.
Contact with enemy.
Nigga, that's not 20. Merch on your life. Merch on your life. Merch on your life. Chat, merch on your life. That wasn't 20?
Reloading.
Whole family tree, by the way, camping in one room. Whole family tree camping in one room, chat. Come on. Chat, this is just a start, chat. This is just a start. I'm airballing.
Reloading.
Friendly predator missile inbound.
Yo, chat, I ain't gonna lie, that was a chill video coming back, though. But, like, did I carry, though? Yes, sir. Chat, big carry. Let me see. Bro, get that one. Drench the whole family tree right there. Yes, sir.
Targets in sight.
I ain't gonna lie, this gun is still buns, but chat, make sure I like and subscribe, chat. Chill on some chill stuff. I guess I got the best play, but I'm not even gonna complain, bro. I'm not even gonna complain. Alright, chat, that's the end of this video. Here's the attachment for this gun if y'all want it. Here it is. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I'm telling you, we got way more videos coming, chat. Only